is your first time logging into my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. So for today's video, as you can already tell by the title, I'll be showing you guys my fall 2020 closet room / office space tour. And I've already decorated this room like 2 weeks ago. I was just waiting for the time after my break to start shooting these videos and posting it up for you guys. But I'm so excited to share with you guys my my closet room / office space tour for the fall 2020. And if you have no idea of how like my closet room look like, you can check out that video of my closet room tour. From that video, I had like more plush in my office, my closet / office space, and I have slowly transitioned from that. So now I'm just going for more like neutral colors and just try to abstain from too many plush. So I've taken majority of like the plush colors out of my office / closet room space, and I'm just going more for like the neutral colors. But without further ado, I don't want to bore you guys out with so much talking, and let's just jump straight into this closet room / office space video tour, or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, let's just jump straight to the video. Hey guys, so this video is pretty short and simple. So all I did to my closet room, I really didn't do major changes to my closet room. So I just transitioned my summer clothes to my fall clothing. So I brought out my boots and my sweaters and my jackets and all that stuff. So everything that is fall appropriate, that's what I brought into my closet room. And as you can see, I have like pumpkins all around. So basically whatever reminded you of fall season, you can just bring that out. And as you can see on this wall behind me, I have these pictures of fall colors, fall pumpkins that I grabbed from Pinterest. I printed it out from my computer and I decided to put it in these frames that I brought from Walmart. And as you can see, I also brought out some of my fall candles out from Bath & Body, and it's lit it up right now, and it's the scent in the white pumpkin, and it smells so good. I really love it. The one that I actually wanted to get was the pumpkin cupcake, which they ran out already, but hopefully they have it online. If they do, I'll make sure I grab one of that because it smells so good. So basically that's all I just did to my closet room. I got rid of the plush colors in here, and I went more for neutral and the fall traditional colors. So that's all I did in this room. Nothing major, just simple and fall season appropriate. That's all. And that will be all for this video. And I also wanted to share with you guys my update, my iOS 14 update that I did to my iPhone. I really love the update, and it helps me organize my phone so much, and I really love it. But that's all for this video, and I'll make sure I put the link of my my closet room tour in this video so that you can check it out and see how my closet room look like in whole. But thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.